Panakarkandu or palm sugar milk with ghee. If there is continuous and stubborn cold, cough, and sore throat, try out this Panakarkandu milk, which will cure your illness. Take a glass of cow's milk and add Panakarkandu or palm sugar, which we find in department stores or organic stores. Then add turmeric powder, pepper powder, and ghee, and mix well and consume it daily night for speed recovery. Boil 1 glass of milk with 5 to 6 pieces of Panakarkandu or palm sugar in a pan. When the milk with Panakarkandu reaches the boiling stage, turn off the stove. And now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Now add half a teaspoon of pure ghee. Mix them well. Now the Panakarkandu or the palm sugar milk is ready.